What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here which is MintKrypt. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, about 2 weeks ago I made a video on how to claim Zeros Wallet Airdrop fast, so I was taking us through the claiming process for claiming your airdrop. Okay, they said the claiming will be ending on 21st of June. That was the first updates they made about the claiming. They now say Zeros token allocation claim deadline is now 1st of July and the listing is confirmed that is to be listed on 29th of June. You see some updates about them on Twitter, so you can just click on the link to know more about this project. Then they said there that 4 days 1 zeros per sale price is going for this amount, that is $0.02. Okay, they say Zeros per sale ends on June 28th. So you can go ahead to buy Zeros token now. They said the total supply is 1 billion, current circulating supply is 150 million and 100% unlock, no vesting. Zeros token official listing on Zeros Wallet Swap. So what they are trying to tell you is that the token will be listed on their Zeros wallet. So once it has been listed, that's where you'll be able to swap the token. Okay, so let's just go through their Twitter page. And a lot of people are commenting that this particular project is scam. So if you've not claimed yours, you can decide not to claim yours, and if you want to claim yours, so you just be spending at least $2 to claim yours. So there's every probability of this project's not doing well. Their pre-sale price is going for $0.02, so I won't be advising us to invest in their pre-sale. But 2 days ago they said centralized exchange will be listed later. However, you can successfully swap your zeros on 29th of June. So you see now on their app, you are seeing Zeros Wallet, Zeros token listing on June 29, and you'll be able to claim your airdrop allocation by the 1st of July. Looking at this, the claiming is on the 29th of June, while the listing is on July 1st. So some extent is good, while to another extent is not okay. What I'll just be asking us to do is we just have to pay attention to the price is going to be listed at. Once it has been listed, I will be making a video telling us whether we should claim or not. Okay, so like they said it's going to be listed on their own wallet. That's at this swap area. You just have to come over to this place. Once you've claimed your airdrop, just click on the swap button, then just going to enter the amount of zeros you want to sell. So once you've claimed, you'll be seeing the amount you've claimed here. Let's say you've claimed 10,000 worth of your airdrop allocation of zeros. Then you just have to enter the amount you want to swap. Then you select the currency you want to swap to, so you can swap to USDT, to Solana. Let's say you're swapping to USDT, then just go to select USDT, enter the price, then you see the amount you'll be receiving here. Just go to click on this swap button. So this is going to be working once it has been listed on 29th of June, and presently the conversion rate for 1 zero is $0.06. So let's just do the calculation. Let's say I'm having 500 worth of our Zeros token. If it's listed for this price, I'm going to be getting $30, but they said their pre-sale price is 0.02. So let's say it was listed for 0.02, that is times the amount I'm having. I'll be making a profit of $10 on this place. But for many of us that have not claimed, just come over to this TG and claim. So once you come there, then you have to choose your centralized exchange, but presently the centralized exchange claiming is not available. The one available is for you to check your allocation. Just click on this view. So once you click on the view, you see check eligibility. So this is my total allocation right now. What I just have to do for me to claim is I need to get a badge. That is, I need to claim a badge. I also need to collect an NFT, that is claim an NFT. So once I've done this, I'll be able to claim the amount of airdrop token I'll receive. For me to claim, I just have to click on this, click to claim. So I'll just click on this, then I'll be seeing the amounts I'll be paying. So for this claim your premium badge, I'll be spending $1.2 for this. So if you want to just fix about $2.5 for this particular project, you can just go to fix it. So for the premium badge, I'll be spending $1.2, that is $1.2 worth of BNB. Then you see the amount of allocation I'll be receiving here if I'm spending this amount. So I can just go ahead to confirm the badge claim. Before I'm able to confirm the badge claim, so I need to make a funding of at least $2 into my account, or $1.5 into my account. So $1.2 will just be removed from my wallet. Like they say, presently the pre-sale is on for you to like buy much more Zeros token. I don't participate in pre-sale, I don't buy pre-sale, so I won't be advising you to invest in their pre-sale. I'm going to risk claiming the airdrop allocation you are given. Okay, so like I said, once the token has been listed on 29th, I'll be updating us whether you should claim or not. So we just have to like stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.